4.3.2 is now out. Hi, my name is Jesse, the founder of KeepSpace. Let's go. Super thrilled to let you know that 4.3.2 is now out. It's our biggest update ever. We've gone through a lot and we're going to break it down into new features, updated features, and fixes. So the first one we're going to talk about is product type management. Now you can break down the units. What that's going to be able to do is create and manage the unit classification more effectively and allow us to have inventory so that we could do better distribution for your B2C as well as your B2B customers. The next thing that we've added is the ability to edit the product type page and enable modifications to existing product types. So if you need to edit the barcode, quantity count, you can have all that capability. It's all on the platform. What we've also done is redesign the unit breakdown functionality. So now we're allowing break down the inventory across multiple warehouses at once and specify the breakdown amount instead of having to break down one unit at a time as it was in the previous version. What we have done is streamline the processes of inbound. It breaks it down into steps. It's a lot faster, quicker to get the search results, and it's more interactive with the information. You can now break down into the base units, update supplier pricing, which will link to packing list and invoice list that comes to the warehouse. And we've also got the ability to create the order number document that you can give to the supplier. So when it reaches either of the distribution warehouses, you're able to have your inbound processed more quickly and effectively because we'll be able to identify your inbound really quickly through this process. We've also developed a bundle creation form. You or your team members have the ability to create bundle products by grouping either multiple items or a single item multiple times. And having that ability to create is now available on 4.3.2. Split orders is a subclass under outbound orders. So what this functionality is allowing you to create a child order to the main order within the warehouses that we have available for you to use. So an example of this is, let's just say you have two products. These two products need to come to an order, but one warehouse has one of the products and the other warehouse has the other product. It will apply to shipping routes, but the functionality is available now so that you don't have waiting periods for products that can be shipped out if they're in two warehouses and they are available. It just automates the process. It is the first of our subclass order line. I'll definitely let you know about the development process for these new subclasses to inbound and outbound. But I'm telling you now, you're gonna love it. It's gonna be really cool. So in this release, we've updated a couple of things. The first update is we've now added insurance and BYO label fields to outbound shipment order form. This is going to allow you guys to add insurance based on what kind of shipping method you would like to utilize and give you a little bit more flexibility over how you want to apply those parts that are important to you, which is in regards to insurance, to the carrier you want to use. Update number 2. On the login page, we've now made an image on the front end page when you sign in, just a nicer UI experience. So thanks Ian, big call out to you for that. Bit of bad news. What we've done is in version 3.6, we've now deleted and no longer made it available to create products, bundles, inbounds, categories, details of those categories or edit them anymore. So they're all been sort of wiped away. All these features are now on version 4. You will get links now that will take you straight to version 4 and you will not be able to see those previous pages that were on version 3. If you need any training or reviewing on that, talk to our support team or you watch some of the videos that we have that will explain these functionalities and features here on this YouTube channel. If you go to an existing inbound order, go to the products page, click edit, and you can update the product value cost if you didn't have it prior and compile it to finish it off. And then that will be able to update prices of the products that are coming into the warehouse, which helps to keep your data up to date and relevant with our platform. Section 3, we did listen to your responses. We have done some improvements. There are fixes across the inbound orders, customer outbound sections, address lines, chat messages, and crashes that we had. I don't know how to explain that. We fixed some cool bugs. They're great. What's more important is what we've added and what we've improved. So yeah, that's that. So guys, that's 4.3. Oh my God. So 4.3.2 is now out live. Super happy to have it. And we're now working on 4.4 is going to be the new one. Just to give you a little sneak preview of what we're working on now, 4.4 is going to be working on the invoice pages. So right now, they haven't been touched. 2019, 2020, it was a long time ago. What is it, 2025 now? Holy shit, that's 5 years. 2021, something around there. It's been a long time. So what we're doing is we're going to do a big update. It's going to make it much better. So for everyone who loves finances and accounting, you're going to have a better viewing than the current PDF form. After that, more to come around the subclasses and an improvement on our chat functionality. But that I will save for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one. Check out these other videos if you want to see other updates that we have done. They're all kind of covered through their chapters in case you want to know anything else that's going on previously. See ya.